Hi there, welcome to our channel. So the new S series phone from Samsung will arrive on January 14th, and while there are going to be 3 models, the Galaxy S21, S21 Plus and S21 Ultra, we are only going to check out the cheaper of the bunch, the vanilla Galaxy S21. This phone will offer a lot of value for the price, and it's said to be priced at about $900 for the base variant. And although it's claimed that this is the cheapest S phone in 3 years, that's not true. Anyways, if you are interested in this device, then stay tuned for more details. First of all, let's talk about the S Pen. We have been hearing rumors for months that Samsung would abandon the Note family and instead incorporate S Pen support into the mainline Galaxy S series. But we don't think the Note family will be abandoned completely. The reason being, the S Pen in the S21 Ultra can be housed only with the optional accessory, unlike the Note series which houses the S Pen at the bottom. So without this cover, you won't be able to take the S Pen with you, and that makes us believe that the Note lineup is not dead yet. Anyways, both the S Pen and the case needs to be purchased separately, which will definitely hike the price. The S Pen will be available only for Ultra model and not the Vanilla and Plus model. At least that's what we know so far. Next is about the new Qualcomm 3D Sonic Gen 2 ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It will be 77% larger than its predecessor, which will give users more surface area to place their finger, reducing false inputs and giving users the option to scan a larger area of their finger for increased security. Qualcomm says that the second generation 3D Sonic sensor is able to process fingerprints about 50% faster, which is obvious since it collects about 1.7 times more biometric data than its predecessor. In addition to the increased surface area, Qualcomm has also managed to make the new fingerprint sensor capable of reading inputs through more materials including foldable displays and even water. Further, taking hints from the company's statement that the 3D Sonic Sensor Gen 2 will arrive in mobile devices in early 2021, so it can be assumed that the fingerprint sensor may debut with the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Moving on to the charger, well, you're not getting one. First Apple did that, followed by Xiaomi and now Samsung. So unless you have saved your fast charger, you might want to budget an extra few dollars for a new power brick. Coming to the processor, the geographic split remains, with some regions expecting Snapdragon 888 and others the Exynos 2100. Samsung Exynos 2100 SoC is not inferior in performance to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 like the previous generation Exynos processors, so there's nothing to worry. The RAM and storage configurations are 8/128 and 8/256GB with no SD card support. As for cameras, the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus are likely to feature triple rear camera setup, while the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is expected to come with quad rear camera setup. The lenses are 12 megapixel main camera, 64 megapixel zoom and 12 megapixel ultra wide snapper. More in-depth information will be known only after the launch. The battery capacity will be 4000 mAh with support for 25 watt wired charging. And lastly, speaking about the design and display, the Galaxy S21 looks like typical Samsung S hardware. It has a big vibrant screen with small bezels and rounded off sides. The fit and finish should be more than good enough for anybody. As for display, it will be flat 6.2-inch AMOLED with 2400 by 1080 pixel resolution. It will be guarded by Gorilla Glass Victus. So that is all about the vanilla Galaxy S21. What are your thoughts? Do let us know via comments, and thank you for watching. Peace out.